Hello students, in this video we will learn some tricky questions of C language related to switch statement which are frequently asked in campus exams of IT companies. If you want to succeed in campus exams, please watch my other videos related to campus questions whose links are given in description box, or you can click on above I button too. If you're trying for the jobs of IT industries, then please subscribe my channel so that I can help you to crack the campus. So now let's move towards our questions. This is question number 1. What will be the output of following program? So you have to tell the output of this program, and this is a very simple program, so I suggest you to please pause the video for some time and try to guess the output of this program. So let us see what output this program will generate. So here symbolic constant L is defined having the value 100, and in the main function a integer variable a is declared which is equals to value 100. The next statement here is the switch statement, and the switch expression is actually a comma a into 2. So here a comma operator is used. So we have studied the comma operator earlier. So here in this comma operator, result of this expression will be equals to the second value after comma. So that is result of this expression will be equals to a into 2. So that means 100 into 2. So this switch expression result in value 200, and therefore any case value matches with 200 will be executed. So let us see which case value will be equals to 200. Here the first case value is L, which is equals to 100. So this is case 100. So this will be matched with the switch expression which is equals to 200. So 200 not equals to 100. So therefore control will be transferred to the next case expression. So here the case expression is L into 2, that is 100 into 2. So this will be equals to 200, and this case value matches with the switch expression. So therefore this case will be executed, because of which this printf function will print Microsoft on the screen, and with this break statement control will be transferred out of the switch statement. So hence the output for this program will be Microsoft. Let's have a look at our next question. What will be the output of following program? So here a switch statement is used and you have to tell the output of this program. So let us see what output this program will generate now. So here in the switch statement, the switch expression here is an integer constant. So therefore this integer constant will be compared with each case label one by one. So therefore firstly this 2 will be compared with first case value, that is 1. So 2 equals to 1 does not matches. So therefore this 2 will be compared with next case value which is equals to 2. So here the match occurs. This switch expression is equals to the case value. So therefore the statement after this case will be executed. So here therefore with this statement C++ will be displayed on the screen. And here you must notice that instead of break statement, here go to statement is used. So we can use go to statement instead of break. So therefore with this go to statement control will be transferred to the statement having the label end. So therefore while executing or after executing this statement, control will be transferred to the statement labeled as end, which is here. So therefore this statement will be executed, and with this the output or string.net will be displayed on the screen. So hence the complete output for this program will be C++.net. So this is our next question. What will be the output of following program? So this is again a switch statement but with a little bit changes in its format. So here you can see here that there is no break statement here after each case value. So there is no break. This statement also doesn't have break statement. This also doesn't have break statement, and so on. So what the compiler will do at such situations? So let us see what output this program will generate. So here firstly an integer variable c is declared and it is initialized with the value 2. The next is the switch statement where the switch expression is a c and its value of c is 2. So therefore this 2 will be compared with each case value one by one. So firstly this 2 will be compared with 1. Here match doesn't occur, so therefore this 2 will be compared with next case value, that is 2. So here match occurs, 2 is equals to 2. So therefore the next statement will be executed. So therefore with this statement string Larry Page will be displayed. But here there is no break statement. So as there is no break statement, control will not go to the out of switch statement, and it will execute the next cases also. So therefore after executing this printf function, control will transfer to the next case value and it will print next string also. So therefore after Larry Page, Sergey Brin will be displayed. There is also not a break statement. So after this default block will also be executed, and next this Google Founders will be displayed on the screen. So hence the complete output for this program will be Larry Page, Sergey Brin, Google Founders. So this is our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here while observing the complete program, you must notice that here x is declared as a constant variable and its value is equals to 0. And this x is used in each case label in switch statement, and you must know that a case label cannot contain a constant variable. So therefore this each case statement will generate a compiler error and in this program, and hence there will be no output for this program. So the correct option for this program is option D, that is compiler error. So let us consider our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So this is actually a very interesting program. So let us see what output this program will generate. So firstly here a switch statement is there where a switch expression is star of 1 plus string AB string CD plus 1. So while evaluating this or while executing the switch statement, firstly this switch expression will be evaluated, and after that value will be compared with the case values. So firstly let us see how this expression is going to be calculated. So consider the expression. So here the expression is star of 1 plus string AB string CD plus 1. So while executing or while evaluating this expression, firstly brackets will be solved. So therefore while executing this bracket, firstly this 1 plus 1 will be done. So hence the new expression after evaluating 1 plus 1 is 2 plus string AB string CD. So after that these two strings will be joined to form a new string ABCD. So now the expression becomes 2 plus string ABCD. So here with this expression 2 plus ABCD, 2 will be added to the base address of this string, and we know that base address of this string is the address of character A. So therefore 2 will be added to the address of character A, which will result in address of character C. So therefore with this 2 plus string ABCD will return in the string CD. Hence the expression becomes star of string CD. Now consider this expression. So here this string CD will return the base address of this string, and the base address of this string means address of character C now. So for simplicity we are considering here the address of C is considered as 1000, and we know that this star operator will return value at address. So now it becomes star means value at address, and this is equals to 1000. So it will return value of address 1000, value at address 1000, which is equals to C itself. So therefore this complete expression will result in character C, and as this expression results C, it will be compared with firstly character A, which doesn't matches, then it will be compared with B, it also doesn't match, so this will match, that is C is equals to C, and therefore the next statement will be executed. So therefore cat will be displayed on the screen, and this break statement will throw the control out of switch statement. So hence the correct option here is option A, that is cat. This is our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So here in this program, a character pointer str is declared, and it is initialized with the string constant, that is ccampus. This str is incremented by 1 with this statement str plus plus, and this str is used in a switch statement. But here we must know that a switch expression cannot be a pointer. It always, or it must return always either integer value or a character value. So therefore this switch statement will generate a compiler error, and this program will does not produce any output. So hence the correct option for this program is option D, which is a compiler error. So let us consider our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So let us see this program. So here in this program, the switch expression is 0x0, which is a hexadecimal 0 constant. So the switch expression is hexadecimal 0. Now consider the next case values here. So here the first case value is null. So which is a macro constant defined as 0 in stdio.h. So that means this null is equals to value 0. Now consider the next case value, that is \0. So the ASCII value of this \0 is 0, and after that this case value also contains 0. So therefore all these cases will result in constant value 0, and we cannot duplicate the case values in the switch statement. That means we cannot use the same case values in the same switch statement. So therefore this program will generate a compiler error and does not produce any output. So hence the correct option for this program is option E, that is compiler error. Let us consider our next question. What will be the output of following program? And these are the options from where you have to select one correct answer. So let us see what output this program will generate. So here in this program, a enumerated data type country is defined here, and whose constant values are as follows. So here the first constant is India, which is equivalent to integer value 5. Similarly, the next constant is USA, which is equivalent to value -2, and the other two constants are China and Japan. As no values are initialized with these two constants, they are automatically initialized with the value incremented by 1 to the previous value. So that means the value corresponding to China will be equals to -1, which is equals to -2 plus 1. So that is this value of China will be equals to -1, and similarly the value of Japan will be equals to -1 plus 1, so which will be equals to 0. So hence, as there are no values defined here, it will be automatically initialized as these values. So now consider the main function. So here enum variable, enum country variable A is declared, which is initialized with value 0. The next statement is the switch statement, where the switch expression is here A, which is equals to 0. So therefore this 0 will be matched with the case values. So this 0 will be matched with India, whose value equals to 5. So 0 equal to 5 doesn't matches. So next is USA, which is equals to -2. -2 is will be compared with 0, so this doesn't matches. So therefore next case value will be matched with 0. So value of China is -1, which is not equals to 0. So next case value is Japan, which is equals to 0. So now the match occurs, and therefore the next statement will be executed. So that means with this statement Tokyo will be displayed on the screen. So hence the output for this program is Tokyo. That is option D. So this is all for now. In next video, I will be coming up with new campus questions. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.